Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen where proven deliciousness made in the easiest ways possible. First, preheat the oven to 350 for easy release later. We grease and flour the pan. Just tap and rotate on the countertop. Easy, right? Now we mash the overripe bananas. We want to use the second and the third from the right. Keeping the bananas in a bag in one place can speed up the ripening process. We are using more bananas than most recipes, so the bread will be moister and stronger in flavor. However, it also means the bread will be slightly denser. If you prefer a little lighter, just use less bananas and compensate for the flavor with banana extract. With frozen bananas, drain the juices off first before mashing and measuring. For consistency, always measure the amount of mashed bananas, not the number of bananas. What makes this recipe the easiest is my one bowl mixing method. We basically just add all ingredients in. That's right, all of them. Follow the order listed. Cold eggs are perfectly fine. Beat up, scrape, and stir. Done! No gradually adding and mixing one or two things at a time. Now we fill the pan. Tap to pop large bubbles. Bake for just about an hour. Look at that! Beautiful bread! But refrain yourself from eating the bread on the first day. Yeah, I know, it's tough, but the bread will be much more flavorful and moister the next day, and in my opinion, third day may be the best. Be sure to store in airtight container once completely cooled down. Well, on the second day, gorgeous bread! Enjoy it as is, or another thing I like to do is heating up for just about 10 to 15 seconds just right before eating. The bread will be much softer and stronger in flavor. If you want it even fancier, make this easy buttered cinnamon icing. Take just a minute to make. Drizzle on the slices or on the whole bread. Excuse me, I'm trolling. Alright guys, thank you so much. You can help the channel by hitting the like button and sharing this video on your social media. Ask me any questions. You have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.